let's listen to the question. We'll exercise today maths approach. So we'll try to answer the question before we look at the suggested answers.
Question 46. A burglary takes place at a jewelry shop in the early hours of the morning. The police were called to the incident by the manager of a bar which is situated opposite the jewelry shop 10 meters away. The manager of the bar viewed the burglary via the bar's closed-circuit television (CCTV) system. However, no recording of the burglary is available because the CCTV system was faulty. The manager gave a statement to the police indicating that, despite the poor street lighting, he recognized the offender as a man who used to work in the bar until 1 year ago. He names the man to the police. The man, who has previous convictions for burglary, is arrested by the police. In his police interview under caution, the man agrees that he used to work in the bar, but denies that he committed the burglary. The police are considering whether to hold an identification procedure. Would an identification procedure serve a useful purpose in this case?
I think it's the safest option. If you don't look at the actual given options to you, you can already find the right answer. And I think this is exactly the sort of question. And then you can be confident you are right if you see it among those options. Can you make an intelligent guess what it may be the reason for that?
Well, because we have a known suspect.
We have a known suspect. So
yes.
Basically, all of this is pretty just irrelevant, a very general thing. The question is, would an identification procedure serve as a useful purpose in the case? They will give you some distractors, something which takes you away, but you should know the key concepts of any sort of test topic. So in here, it's about identification. The manager gave a statement to police identifying that despite the poor street light, it's not very much important. He recognized it still can be admitted in evidence, just Turnbull guidelines may be relevant here. He recognized the officer as a man who used to work in a bar, so he knew him before. Until 1 year ago, he names the man to the police. So the question, would an identification procedure serve as a useful purpose for the case? If we go now to the options.
A, yes, because the witness viewed the burglary via a CCTV camera which failed to record the incident. B, no, because the man is known to the witness. C, yes, because the man is known to the police. D, no, because the lighting at the time of the offense was poor. E, no, because the distance between the jewelry shop and the bar was too great.
So it's obvious, like as we said, because the man is known to the witness. Yeah, so we see this one of the options here, so we can be confident this is the right answer. And that is the right answer, B. No, because the man is known.